So there's a new theory out that's becoming very popular in science. It's called the multiverse. It's that there are innumerable universes. Does the Vedic perspective have anything to say about that?
It's good that the scientists are somehow coming to the point of having a proper understanding. Generally, broader our perception, broader is our conception, the broader becomes our understanding. And say, for example, a frog in the well, he thinks that the well is the entire world. And he doesn't have any other idea beyond that well. So similarly, an ordinary person thinks that his village or his city or his nation is the entire world. He doesn't have any understanding beyond that. But then his understanding expands, and he sees that his country is not the only reality. There is a continent. Then his knowledge expands further. He sees that there are many continents in this earth. Then he sees that this earth also is just one planet in the universe. And he tends to think that this universe is everything. But then his knowledge expands further. Then he sees that there is not only this universe, there are many other universes. Now the consideration is, when you get the real knowledge, real understanding, then everything becomes crystal clear. Now, do you want to hear what the Vedic understanding is? The Vedic understanding is, in order to create this material nature, the Lord lies in an ocean of cause. Cause is a substance. Behind every effect, there is a cause. Without a cause, nothing can happen. So this cause is a substance. And there is an ocean of cause. And the Lord, as Mahavishnu, lies in that causal ocean. In Sanskrit, it is called Karan Udak, causal ocean. And then in that causal ocean, as he breathes, due to his breathing, the bubbles that are generated, that is an universe. As he is breathing, innumerable such bubbles are generated, and in this way, innumerable universes are generated. But those universes are hollow inside. So now the Lord enters into each universe and fills up half of the universe with the water generating from his body. Like we sweat, that comes out of our body in drops, but with Lord, the water from his body filled up the entire universe. And then he laid on that water called Garbha Udak. In order to lie there, he needed a bed. So his expansion as Ananta Shesha in the form of a snake creates the bed for him that floats on that Garbha water. And he lies there. Then from his navel comes out a lotus. And in that lotus, the first being in this universe, Lord Brahma, appeared. Brahma came directly from the navel of the Lord. Generally, in the material nature, the creation takes place between the father and mother's union, and the child is connected to the mother in the navel internally. Whereas here, Brahma came directly from the navel of the Lord externally. The Lord doesn't need anyone to create anyone or give anybody a body. So Brahma this way is the first living entity in this universe. In this way, there are innumerable universes, and all those universes have the same process of creation. Brahma comes directly from Garbhodakshaya Vishnu, who is lying in the ocean of sweat water, Svedabari, that generated from the body of the Lord. Brahma is the first living entity in every universe. And then Brahma found that this universe has 14 planetary systems. Every universe actually has 14 planetary systems. 7 of them are higher in the upper region, and 7 of them are in the lower region. Like 7 higher planetary systems are Bhurloka. This Earth planet is the middle one. Bhurloka, Earth planet. Then above that is Bhuvarloka. Then Swargaloka, which is generally known as heavenly planet. Then beyond that is Maharloka, Tapaloka, Janaloka, and Satyaloka. And Satyaloka is the place where Lord Brahma is situated. So in this way, there are 7 higher planetary systems, and underneath, below the Earth planet, there are 7 lower planetary systems. They are known as Tal, Atal, Sutal, Mahatal, Rasatal, Talatal, and Patal. So these are the 7 lower planetary systems and 7 higher planetary systems. So this is the basic structure of an universe. You see, in the Vedas, everything has been given in perfect details because the Lord Himself has given the knowledge. This knowledge in the Vedas are not a product of man's speculation, man's imagination. The Supreme Personality of Godhead has Himself given this knowledge. In a way, you can consider that a machine, when it is created, along with that comes an operation manual, how to operate that machine. Similarly, when the Lord created these universes, He, along with that, gave us an operation manual. And in a way, you can say that that is the Vedas. So the Lord Himself gave the Vedas. As I pointed out, since the Lord gave this knowledge is perfect. And when we accept it, when we probe into it, then we can see how meaningful they are. Everything fits in with perfect accuracy. There is no contradiction, there is no dilemma, there is no conflict in those descriptions that has been present into the Vedas. And yes, to go back to the main point, there are innumerable universes. This universe is not the only one. There are innumerable universes in the material nature. But beyond this material nature, there is the spiritual reality. And we all came from there. And therefore, our main objective of our existence should be to go back to that world. Thank you very much.